Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is a baby alive leopard and he's from Toymate. It costs $16 and I hope he looks good when I open him. Let's unbox the doll and see what it looks like. Let's have a look at the box. Look at that leopard, a tiger, I mean that's a leopard. There's a big rainbow, do you see it? Then here, we've got a lion. Oh, look at those big round things, I don't know what they're called. And there's trees, more trees. The leopard sitting on the tree. And there's also a little forest bit and stuff, that is cool. And everything else. So that's really cool. Let's have a look underneath. Okay. This is what the box looks like opened up. Now I'll show you the doll. This is what he looks like. Now I'm going to open up and show you it. This is what he looks like. He's so cute. Look at him. Look, he's got some stripes on him. He's got some purple, more purple, and then on the bottom, in a little bit, there's some yellow on him. Then he's got purple, then pink and stuff. Then it's got all different colours, and here it's just white. Then the back, he has a tail. He has some hair here, but he's a boy. And then he's got all sorts of things here. Do you see the hole in his head? It's right there. Now we're going to put his hat on. There we go. He is all dressed up. Now I'm going to show you some other stuff he came with. He comes with this nappy, see? He also comes with this bottle, see? And you can't open it. He comes with a nappy and a bottle. And he's so cool. I definitely recommend him. He's good. He's a good doll. So he can actually drink some juice or something, and you can see the hole in his mouth. He can drink stuff, and he can also poo, and then he can wee too. That's why he needs a nappy. You can feed him. See, watch, like that. See, done. And then you need to follow instructions how to feed him. He has a hard body, a hard head, hard hair, hard body, hard hands, hard feet. And I definitely recommend him. You can get him at Toymate. Thank you for listening to my baby 5 review. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.